Welcome! Today we'll prove that when y equals e to the x times cosine x, the second derivative minus 2 times the first derivative plus 2 times y equals 0. Let's solve this step by step. First, we need to find the first derivative of y with respect to x. Since this is a product of two functions, we'll use the product rule. Now, we can simplify this first derivative. Notice that we can factor out e to the x. Looking at our original function, we can substitute y equals e to the x times cosine x to write this in terms of y. Now for the second derivative, we need to differentiate dy slash dx. We'll differentiate both terms with respect to x. The derivative of y we already know from before. For the second term, we use the product rule again. Now we can substitute our expression for dy slash dx that we found earlier. Let's distribute the negative sign and rearrange terms. Remember that y equals e to the x times cosine x. We can substitute this and our expression for dy slash dx. Finally, we can rearrange this to get our desired equation. Moving all terms to the left side gives us d squared y dx squared minus 2 dy dx plus 2y equals 0, which is what we wanted to prove. And there we have it. We've proven that when y equals e to the x times cosine x, it satisfies the differential equation d squared y dx squared minus 2 dy dx plus 2y equals 0. Thank you for watching.